Abortion bill making its way through Tallahassee is stirring up a lot of controversy tonight. Like any heated issue, it's a debate over beliefs, and it looks like those in favor of making it harder to terminate a pregnancy are winning. Chris Martinez joins us now live in the newsroom with the latest on this hotly debated bill. Chris?
Well, Jameson, you might remember this same bill passed last year, but it was vetoed by then Governor Charlie Crist. This time around, it is flying through committees, and it's one of more than a dozen being considered.
We ought to stay out of people's health care.
That's typically the mantra of Republican lawmakers, but medical procedures tied to abortion are a different story. 20 bills tightening abortion restrictions are being considered right now, conservative sponsors insisting it's all about patient education.
We gave you every opportunity to hear every piece of information so you could make the best decision that you could make at the time given the information that was available to you.
That information in the bill gaining the most ground includes images of a fetus. Women wanting an abortion would be required to have an ultrasound and either see the image or have a doctor describe it aloud.
Whether showing her a picture of the ultrasound is intended to further educate her or to scare her is an interesting question.
Dr. Jay Wolfson says many of the abortion bills come with a number of questions, some ethical, some more practical. Take, for instance, the cost of the ultrasounds.
Is the patient going to pay for it, or is the doctor going to pay for it?
And there are other bills he thinks will face instant challenges in court, like House Bill 321, which would require a doctor to talk to the patient about the pain a fetus might feel in the procedure.
This is an interesting next step because it's accepting that the fetus is capable of experiencing human pain and suffering. It's attributing express legal personhood to the fetus, which the law has not completely accepted yet.
And as for that ultrasound bill, if it passes and is signed into law this time, Florida will join Alabama, Louisiana, and Mississippi as the latest state to have that requirement. And it is thought the governor supports and would sign any of those bills once they are passed.